Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Google NFC card. First, let's understand what an NFC card is and its primary uses for quick, contactless transactions. Before we begin, please ensure your smartphone supports near-field communication technology. You will also want to gather any necessary information, such as your payment details, to make the setup process smooth and efficient. This guide will walk you through each step clearly. Now, let's add a payment method. Begin by opening the Google Wallet application on your smartphone. Look for and tap the plus sign icon, usually located at the bottom right, to add a new payment method. Carefully enter your credit or debit card details into the required fields. Finally, you will need to verify your card through the authentication steps provided, which might involve a text message or email code. With your card added, it's time to activate NFC for payments. Go to your phone settings and enable near-field communication. Next, select Google Wallet as your default payment application for contactless transactions. To make a payment, simply hold your phone near the payment terminal. Your device will prompt you to confirm the payment, often with a fingerprint or PIN, completing the transaction in just a few seconds. Security is paramount when using contactless payments. Always protect your device with a strong screen lock, such as a PIN, pattern, or biometric authentication. Keep your Google Wallet application updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security features. If you encounter issues, check for NFC interference from other nearby devices. For persistent problems, contact your bank or Google support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.